Hello, parents. We at ReadAloudGuide.com are back at Next Chapter Books in Trumbull, Connecticut. We believe that we have found the perfect gift idea for your children for this holiday season. A gift that will bring joy, contentment, and intelligence to your child. One that will encourage deep connection and bonding. One that will also benefit healthy development and well-being. Now, to give this amazing gift, all you need to do is
read these for 20 minutes.
So talk about things as they happen.
Like new words. Make it fun. And read with great expression.
And you might end up giving the gift of a lifetime by creating a lifelong reader and learner. Give the gift of literacy at Next Chapter Books.
Happy Holidays!